don't make no sense. It's 4 in the morning. I got a long day ahead of me. It's my first. It ain't my first one. Forgive me for my alarm tone. Oh shit. 4:34 in the morning. Y'all know what time it is? Time for me to get to it. Get a good workout in. I'm just trying to be better. I got a headache. I ain't go to bed till about 12 something. I'm right back up at 4 something in the morning. Hey Siri, play my music library on shuffle.
Playing all songs shuffled.
Hand me a towel, I'm dirty dancing by myself, gone off tabs.
Frank Ocean.
Acid, form me a circle, watch my jacket.
Hey, cuz bump.
Lose my jacket and hit a solo.
You gotta get ready for this gym, man. You gotta make sure, man. You can't go to the gym with stanky bro, man. That shit just don't work like that. You gotta get ready properly, man. Put your mouthwash first, too. Get a full cup. All you need is half. Because you gotta make sure your mouthwash. You gotta make sure you get those germs. Get that shit woke up. Excuse my language. You gotta make sure you get those germs woke up. Yeah.
I got love for some niggas that I never speak to again. Still got love for some niggas that never wanna see me win. Ain't no love for these bitches fucking once and never again. I'm in love with these bitches fucking. Lace a bitch for them trips. Mass up for them licks. Knock a nigga hoe down. Bustin' open them bricks. Pass out, this is stage.
Is that Birdman?
Max out. Pussy nigga clip stage foul. Come around, cash out.
Hold on, let's stop this. Has anybody just simply heard one Birdman song? Like, you just sat and listened to Birdman? Like, Birdman was the sole artist and he wasn't the feature. Like, have you just sat and listened? Like, yeah, I'm a Birdman fan. Let that sink in.
Remember when I left your city? Remember when we had that talk? I made sure that I woke up early. I never missed your call.
I know y'all probably like, damn, bro, it's taking a long time. Yes, you gotta make sure you properly prepare for the gym. At least I do. Hush it up. When you go to the gym, man, make sure you got you a shirt, a dry shirt. You don't want to leave out with, sweat and stuff on you. And even in the summertime, man, you can get a summertime cold. I'm already stocked up, so gotta take your fish oil and BCAAs. And yes, I take fish oil pills. Gotta make sure your joints feeling well. And we out. Dog shit out. But it's go time. Gym time. Probably gonna do like 2 workouts today. That's only because, man, I went to Memphis about a week ago. And I ain't go stupid on as far as eating and stuff. But I was pretty busy. I worked out probably like twice and I was there for like, 4 or 5 days? So, yeah, I got some work to make up for. And you don't never want to get too far gone. So I gotta jump back into it. So let's get to it. gym time. Trying to get it in, baby. Yeah. Trying to get it in, baby. We here. We here, baby. We here, baby. Let you know, man. Don't come to the gym to play. Come to the gym to put in work. Hold on. Don't come to the gym to play. Come to the gym and put in work. Every day you wake up, come and put in work. Live by it. Die by it. Got to. Yeah, that's some work. Let me see. My clock. It says 7:19, but my shit like, my clock like 12 minutes fast. I guess it took me about 10 minutes to get dressed. Back in the car. I just went stupid in the gym. Stupid bananas. So what was that? I got here about 5. I hit the gym floor at 5:30. So a solid hour and a half. And I only did an hour and a half only because I've been out of it. But it felt good, man. It was like what they call it, runner's high. It was like a workout high, man. I just couldn't stop. Now it's time to get back to the crib. Time to go to the crib and get some good nutrients, good protein shake, some cereal. Yeah, man. Gotta stay on top of it. Yeah, so they're gonna be turned for me. It's gonna be turned. It's gonna be turned. Gotta be better. I better be. I could leave the house again. I disappeared. Good. Wrong keys. Work out early in the morning. You be cautious, cause if you ain't got enough sleep the night before, you probably gonna want to do that on an off day, because if not, you probably gonna fall back asleep and be asleep for a while. Like I did. But that's what I did, and I still got some stuff to tend to, man. Told y'all it's supposed to be a busy day, but nevertheless, I gotta change out my tail lights, and I gotta change out my tail lights. I get a car wash, man. Gotta get a car wash. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. But I'm just letting you know, man. You gotta do it, cause can't keep paying people. Like, you know, if somebody changed out my tail light, they probably charge me 100 bones. 100? Nah, not today, buddy. Goddamn birds keep crapping on my car, man. Scared to even wash it, to be honest. They taking good bowel movements. Good bowel movements on the car, man. What the hell? Anyway, let me go drive and get this stuff. Yeah. I'm alone and no one. Oh, priorities. Only I know, but every lie told and I know God coded. We don't love blind stoves. We kiss with both eyes open. Trust me like you used to, girl. Want me like you used to, babe. Need me like the air you need to breathe. Just like your heart gon' miss a beat. Some of this sweet time, babe. Know you wanna be mine. Rewind it. Yeah. I put my work before you. I know I'm worth it. Not for real though, man. I'm just leaving Advanced Auto Parts. Finesse me Auto Parts. Just finesse me out of my money, man. Nah, that ain't finesse me. I had to get some lights, man. About to install these lights myself. Because, like I said before, if you go to a damn dealership or something, they're gonna try to charge you $100 for something that can be free, because you can do it yourself. Only, so what? Cost of the light bulbs, what, about $7? Come on, man. Oh yeah, I got some rubber caps for my tire, man. Yeah. Can't be riding around with no caps on your tire. Uh-oh, I'm getting a phone call. So this is my first time ever doing this, but you gotta be independent. You can't depend on nobody. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Hey! Look who pulling up, y'all. Damn. She wanna bag good. She wanna be hard. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Look at her, guys. Ooh, she ugly.
That's my song. What's up, YouTube? YouTube family. This is my first vlog. I'm so excited.
This is mine. What you owe me.
No, it's actually mine, but you know, I'm fresh from work, so I look a hot mess. Hubby is trying to change his tags or his plate.
Nope. Trying to do my lights. How about that?
Oh, sorry. My bad. He's trying to fix his light. I don't know how to fix a light, so I'm pretty much gonna learn.
Oh, I thought I just
Did you break stuff?
might have broke it.
Oh, so much for me letting you work on my car. So it's still a struggle. Apparently, Boo has to unscrew something from the inside out. But you still cute though. Yes, handyman.
I was born this way.
You was born this way. You was born alright.
The YouTube this, bro. This shit ain't working like it was supposed to.
And we YouTube everything. So yeah, everything we learn how to do, we YouTube. So prime example right there. Babe broke something. Okay.
Oh, bub, oh, bub.
Oh, bud. My car in the background. She needs to be cleaned. So we're not gonna zoom in too much on Merlot. That's my car's name is Merlot because she's fine like wine. You see her? What? Merlot? No, it's not. The color of my car is actually Satin Fire. Yes, we have to be extra with the color.
Satin fire?
Satin Fire.
Fire.
Yeah, it's gonna be like our 5th kid's name. Satin Fire Gray. Oh, that would be dope, Pooh. Satin Fire Gray. You a hater. That was cute, y'all. If y'all think that's a cute name, let me know in the comments below. I need my tires rotated and balanced.
This is the last bulb is in.
Hey. What we doing? Hey, if y'all need y'all tires rotated and balanced, you need oil change, hit me up for the low.
Greater,
I got y'all. Greater Mechanics Automotive.
Greater Mechanics. Dang, gun dumb ass.
Super
Greater
ass.
Mechanics. Can't even talk with my hands right now, but you know what it is.
What does it show? The rotor. What is it? What's it? The part of your car? It's like rotor.
Yeah, man. My lights went out and it was my carburetor, guys. Like, catalytic.
I'm telling y'all, hit us up.
Hey,
We do it all.
Hey, let me tell you how crazy black people are, in Memphis at least. So the thing is called a catalytic converter. Instead of them saying catalytic, they will call that thing a Cadillac converter. A Cadillac converter. Go to Memphis and ask them, hey, what's that part on your car? Is it the converter? And they're gonna say Cadillac converter. You're gonna be like,
What is it?
gotta put this new sticker on my car, you know what I'm saying? My tag's expired in January, but
We do put stickers on your cars too.
But I'm still black, so it took me till late March
The
to get
summer
them.
of,
But you know what I'm saying? I still get them.
he done had his tag since the summer of '67 and just now putting them on.
Yes, so with that being said, I ain't about to show y'all all that because y'all gonna be in my business.